We're just going to plod along for about 2 hours. I've got the camera. This is just for social. This isn't a video. I've done the same thing too many times. So this is just a social media. Okay, bay alarm is still open. Well, that's a better one, isn't it? Hopefully it's a good one. Ooh. I thought I'd get him today because there's a lot more wind than usual. Where is he? So the 3 pound straight through really cushions the lunges and the head shakes. He feels like not a bad fish, this one. He smashed it. I don't think I've got pliers either. It's nothing new. Oh, he's a good one, man. He's a really good one. He's got a mate with him too. Like, he's got a really good mate with him. That's probably why he smashed it. Okay. Okay. Wow. Oh. Yeah, he's a cracking fish. Absolute cracking fish. All right, let's have a look at him. I only brought one camera out. So what usually happens is, he's a good one. He's really good. He was going nowhere. What usually happens is cracker.